bun ha ki tourist ki bawan chani shpo Meghalaya jangi pe ki kwa man one pet ki kwa ban experience kum ka ta ka Meghalaya kalong da ki lawan kum tu ki la sa bun sni te kawai kalong ba ka jinyo anong ba da ni dan ki get kini ki homestay.
Opening and homestay, it's my source of income.
The 2 years of pandemic has put a standstill to all kinds of activities in the state. Even annual events that were being held from year to year were affected ever since the declaration of the WHO of a pandemic. However, with the ease in COVID restrictions and the decrease in COVID cases in the state of Meghalaya, activities started to resume as normalcy had once again set in. With much enthusiasm, the organisers of the Miss Meghalaya Beauty Pageant had made an announcement on Friday the 22nd of July 2022 of the much-awaited grand event in the state. Speaking to media persons, Akriti Sen informed that the Miss Meghalaya Beauty Pageant 2022, which is scheduled for September this year, will be celebrated in line with Meghalaya's 50th year of statehood. An audition to the same will be held on the 20th of August at the Youth Hostel Shillong, where contestants will be selected to participate in the grand event in September, and the winner will then represent Meghalaya at the Miss Northeast 2022, which will be held in Kohima in October this year, informed Sen.
2 years of COVID, we are finally able to organize Miss Meghalaya. And we are so fortunate that this is the same year that Meghalaya is celebrating its 50th anniversary of statehood. So of course this Miss Meghalaya will be an extraordinary one with much more opportunities than ever before.
To provide more details into the selection process, one of the organisers of the event, Nazarene Karubon, informed that those selected through the auditions will have to undergo training and grooming sessions that will be imparted to them by former pageant winners in the likes of Akriti Sen, Napila Warba and others.
So this will be our second time that we will be working together as a team. The first event being the Miss Meghalaya, which was a really successful event. So if we talk about the grooming classes, first we will have the auditions, which will be on the 20th of August, that is next month. From there, the girls will be selected. After they're being selected, they'll go through the grooming period. So in the grooming period, as a team, we want to really focus on 3 things. That is the catwalk, their speaking skills, and also what we really want to focus on is their personality training, or how their personality will develop from this platform. Besides that, we'll also be having photo shoots with really professional photographers of the state. And here also the girls will be able to showcase their talent, and we will also be there to guide them side by side, therefore bringing the confidence that they have in them